Can you tell me more about Gemma 4?
I am Gemma 4, a large language model developed by Google DeepMind.
Gemma 4 was released a few days ago. It consists of series of models built from Gemini 3 research. These are small on-device models, so they can run on your phone as well as your desktop computer. The series of models are great for agentic workflows. They have multimodal reasoning and support 140 languages. You can fine-tune the models and run them on consumer hardware. There are various ways to run the Gemma 4 models locally. You can use Hugging Face, Olama, Kaggle, LM Studio, or use Docker. In our demo, we will use Hugging Face along with Vision Agents to build a voice agent powered by Gemma 4. On the Vision Agents website, we have a step-by-step guide on how to use Hugging Face to run open-weight models locally on your hardware. To run the local on-device voice agent powered by Gemma 4, it requires you to have Hugging Face access token, Stream API key and secret, DeepGram API key for speech-to-text and text-to-speech. Let's look at how you can start quickly in Vision Agents. First, you should install Vision Agents and all the required plugins. We have Hugging Face and DeepGram. After adding the imports, you can just run the agent in 3 steps. First, you define the model snapshot you want to use. From Hugging Face, we are using this version of the model. So we have Gemma 4 E2B. Next, we set up Hugging Face transformers with all these parameters, including the model we want to use. That is the Gemma 4 model. The next thing to do is to create a new agent in Vision Agents and specify the voice pipeline you want to use. We have the LLM as one of the Gemma 4 models via Hugging Face. We have the speech-to-text component as DeepGram and the same DeepGram for text-to-speech. Finally, we should join and create a video call to be able to interact with the agent in real time. So let's run the Python script. Once we run it for the first time, it will take a while to load.
Hi there! I'm here to help you with general questions, weather lookups, and everyday tasks. Just let me know what you need.
Okay, tell me more about Google Gemma 4.
I am Gemma 4, an open-weights large language model developed by Google DeepMind. I can help you with a wide range of tasks like answering questions, summarizing text, generating creative content, and much more. What would you like to know about me?